Have you even heard of a soft tanner before?
I've never heard of a soft tanner, and I will tell you, I have used self tanners, but they've turned me orange or they're streaky, and I don't even use them on my face.
This is going to give you a healthy, radiant, believable tan. It's not quite a self tanner. It's not makeup. It's in its own category. We used our patent pending formulation, anti-aging formulation, and have combined it with amazing color that works with your skin tone. So no matter whether you're pale, maybe you have an olive skin tone like myself, or darker skin, this is going to build on your color. And what's amazing about it is that you get to control that color. You get to see where it goes because we have an amazing color guard. And you get to control how dark, how light, whatever level that you want it to be. Our technology is a nano solution technology. This color is going to last on your skin longer because the nanomist goes further onto the epidermal layers of your skin. So you're getting those anti-aging nutrients, but you're also getting color that's going to last a few days. And you get to sort of experiment with that based on your own skin, but immediately you'll see an instant bit of color, and over 2 to 6 hours, as you were saying, that color is going to build. So it will last you 3 to 4 days, and if you want to go darker, you certainly can. I always like to go 2 shades darker.
Okay, so do you use this maybe twice a week if you want to kind of maintain?
I use it every day, actually, because I really like to be tan, and I hate going out into the sun. You know, I'm 39 years old. The last thing I want to do is have more sun damage, you know, get wrinkles and all those things that the sun does to us, even though we love it so much. So this is a really safe way to give yourself a glow that people will notice. They'll say, oh, you look great, but they're not going to think you just came back from a trip to Jamaica and got sunburned.
You don't want to go out in the sun. It's so damaging.